Hey y'all, it's your friend Dee, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Barbie Dream Closet. Barbie has had several dream closets over the years, and this one was released in 2022. I found it at my local Walmart a few months ago for $10. It was on clearance because Mattel did release a new dream closet last year. On the front, it shows the measurements of the closet, which is a pretty nice size, and it also shows us that it folds up, which is great for storage. The playset comes with several accessories and clothes. On the front of the closet, we have photos of Barbie fashion, and they're inside these little faux cubby holes. On this side where the door is, you do have a window where you can see inside of the closet. On the back side, we have more pictures of Barbie fashion, and I'm seeing some items that I don't have that I would like to have, like these boots and these boots. This pink heart that says Barbie is the door latch. To open the closet, we just have to turn the latch and the front opens. Once the closet is open, it creates a pretty large room. It can even be a little larger. I don't have this side out all the way, nor do I have the door over here. So you can make this as large or small as you would like. I kind of like them in just a little bit. This side of the closet is the desk area, and it has a full-length mirror, and you can see it does have a really good reflection. You can see my phone, which I film with, and my ring light. Above the desk, you have a calendar, a cork board with some pictures of Barbie and Barbie's friends, and this is just part of the backing here. It's just a photo on this paper board. The desk is white, and you do have one peg hole on top, and you can put a Barbie drink in there or maybe a plant. At the bottom of the desk, you have two shelves, and there are pictures of Barbie accessories in the back. And just below the mirror, there is a picture on the wall of an ottoman, and they also had the doll stand stored over here. So you get a purple doll stand. So you just snap your doll's legs in the stand, and she should be able to stand on her own. And I just realized there is a space on the floor for the stand to slide into. The back wall has a lot of shelving space for clothes and accessories, and the chair is stored here as well as a hamper. You get an orange chair, and we've seen this chair before in pink with the Barbie breakfast set. And you get a purple hamper, and it has, looks like hearts on the front. Yeah, those are hearts. And it does have handles. It's a pretty nice size, and it says Barbie at the bottom. You have some faux pink drawers here. I do wish they would open, but this part does raise up because this is a two-story closet. So we're going to grab the handle, and here's a little pink latch, and you're going to pull that forward and you raise up the closet. Once that portion of the closet has been raised, you'll see a picture of some Barbie clothes in the back, and there is a bar here, so we can hang some clothes from that. And you do have a shelf, and there is an open space at the bottom. The top of the closet has more shelves and pictures of Barbie accessories. And there is a section here where you can slide your doll stand in, and your doll can stand on the second level. This section pulls down, and you have two pegs where you can hang Barbie clothes and accessories. On the right side, there's an open space with an arrow pointing down, and that is the laundry chute. So this Barbie shoe should land in the hamper. And on this side is just a glass door, and I'm thinking about putting some contact paper over it, but for now I've just created a little hallway behind it. And at the bottom of the door, you have another one of those areas where you can put your doll stand and have the doll stand in front of the door. All of the clothing and small accessories come in these two plastic bags. You get 10 silver Barbie hangers. They fit over the bar as well as the pegs. You get a yellow necklace, a silver necklace, a silver bracelet, a silver whistle, a pair of gold sunglasses, a red sun visor, a blue purse, a blue laptop, and it has a printed on screen. And here's the back, and it looks like you're supposed to fold it so it can close. You get a white clipboard. I think this is supposed to be a reflex hammer. You know, the ones when you go to the doctor and they tap your knee to see if your leg kicks out. And I'll tell you why I think that a little bit later in the video. You get a pair of pink sandals, a pair of gray sandals, a pair of neon tennis shoes, and they're coming off a little greenish yellow, a pair of black strappy heels, and a pink pair of what I call clog shoes, and I think these might be called nurse's shoes also. You get this peach dress with blue and yellow florals. The dress is sleeveless and it does have stretch around the V-neck to make it easier to get it on the doll. The back has a deep V. It is a short dress and it's hemmed with blue thread. I started to take the dress off of her, so I pulled the straps down and I kind of like it like this. You get a pink dress. It is a one shoulder dress. On this side there is a ruffle at the top of the shoulder. This side does have a clear plastic strap that can help hold the dress on. I don't like those, so I just tucked it inside. The dress gets its shine from all of these small dots that mimic sequins. The back of the dress is plain, and just like the other dress, there is some stretch at the top, so you just pull the dress up on the doll. And the dress is hemmed at the bottom, and the hem is asymmetrical. You get a blue top with white daisies and a faux denim skirt. The top has goldish yellow straps, and they are stretchy, as well as around the top here is stretchy to make it easier to get it on the doll, and the center of the daisies are all a goldish yellow. Since the top is stretchy, it doesn't need Velcro in the back. The faux denim skirt is made of soft material and it does have a lot of stretch to it, so this should fit on a curvy without any problems. I think all of the clothes so far should fit a curvy. And the waist is also stretchy and it is finished at the bottom with a nice hem. And the skirt is finished all the way around. We get a white tank top with red shorts, and I believe this is supposed to be a lifeguard uniform. We have a red symbol here, and I think this is called a life preserver or lifesaver, and it has a white heart in the center. The shirt is very stretchy, so you just pull it up on the doll. It's finished in the back and has a deep V. The shorts have an elastic waist. These could fit on a curvy, but I think they would be kind of snug, but they would probably still work. The shorts are hemmed and finished on the back. So our closet is hinting at our doll having a couple of jobs. So maybe on the weekend she is a lifeguard or a swim instructor. You can see on the back wall here there is a lifesaver floaty device and a megaphone. We have a nurse's uniform, and that is why I thought this was a reflex hammer. Unlike the other clothes that came with this closet, this is not made of a stretchy material, but there is still a lot of room, so I don't think a curvy doll will have any issue getting in this shirt. There's a blue trim around the neck and around the arms, and you can see all of the little medical instruments on the shirt, as well as some purple hearts. This shirt does Velcro in the back. The pants do have elastic at the waist. They're a little baggy on my doll, so I think a curvy could fit in these easily. The bottom of the pants are hemmed, and the pants are finished all the way around. Overall, I think this is a really good closet, and there are two things that I wish they would change about it, but I can't complain too much because I only paid $10 for this. In my previous video, I reviewed the Mini Brands Mini Fashion Dream Closet, and one of the issues I had with it is that it didn't come with a floor. And this dream closet doesn't come with a floor either, so I just used some scrapbook paper as a floor. And in the mini brands closet, there was this weird space that didn't have a wall behind it. And I kind of feel the same about this. I wish this wasn't open because when I go to film, it's just going to look weird. I'm going to always have to have something behind it. I put my pink brick wall behind it now and just made a walkway. But I think I can fix this by just covering it with contact paper. But I'm going to leave it for now. Maybe it'll grow on me. The mini brands closet did not fold, and that was one of the issues I had with it. If you want to store it away, you have to take it apart. This one, you don't have that issue, but I don't think this upper level is really needed. It's neat, but I don't really find myself filming that portion of it that often. But maybe for play, for kids, or if you're going to play with this set quite a bit, you'll get some use out of that. I'm just noticing all of these little shelves here. So I think you can put items on these as well. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.